Crawford Path, the oldest continuously used mountain trail in America. Hey, it's Seth. I'm in the White Mountains on Crawford Path, heading up Mount Pierce. I'll be doing Mount Pierce and Mount Eisenhower today. Forecast is cloudy with showers possible throughout the morning, with the weather deteriorating as the day goes on. So it's about 8:30 and I'm trying to get up there to the ridge as soon as I can. I just pushed the pace a bit on this first mile to get ahead of a lot of people. There's gonna be people all day. It's packed down at Crawford Notch, but plenty of pockets to yourself. Anyway, I'm moving, I'm working, which is what I want today, so let's keep at it. Two miles in, crowds have thinned noticeably since the cutoff with the Mizpah hut. Cooling off too. Suddenly I'm not so warm anymore. Less than a mile to get to the Alpine Zone. Nice thing about this Time Be Free is I'm just using it as an extra bladder because I only brought that one water bottle. So save my bacon. I can just fill it up, bring it with me. All right, we've reached the Alpine Zone. I hear people. We're close to the summit of Pierce. Just about time for a wardrobe change, I think. Here we are. Top of Pierce. Pierce is a fine summit. Views of the presidential that way. Well, it's definitely blustery, but it's not raining as of yet, so football rather. We better get a move on Eisenhower. It's clear as of now, but you can see that the northern prezzies are in the clouds, and with that comes precipitation. So I'm sure we'll hit some, but it's cool. I can see a few people up on top of Eisenhower right now. Hour and a half to get up Pierce, not too shabby. I'm gonna try to do my little shamble jog on as much of this terrain as I can. I think that's the key to moving quickly up here. Jog what you can, hike the rest. I gotta say, I am pretty pleased with the strength my legs have for climbing, considering my lack of really hills since I started running again. I have to give some credit, I think, to doing hot yoga weekly for the last 2 months. I feel like it's really helped with my leg strength, especially that weak left leg. That's where we came from. That's where we're going. Making progress. Yeah, it's windy, but it's actually quite lovely. Keep moving. Turned my raincoat into a poncho of sorts. Helps with ventilation. I was getting too hot with this thing on, but I don't want to try to take it off. I think I'll want it as soon as I'm exposed area. So try to mix and match as best I can to deal with the heat and the wind. We're getting there. Mount Washington, getting smothered by the clouds. Really cool, the clouds coming off the top of Mount Washington. That's awesome. All right, so the Crawford Path actually goes around Eisenhower. or you can go this way to the Mount Eisenhower Loop. Cruel that the AT follows the Crawford path and doesn't go over Eisenhower. It should hit the peaks. That's what I think. It's the world's tiniest ladder. Tired now. It looks pretty nice over on Lafayette right now. And I feel a couple drops. Some boating clouds coming this way. Let's zip her back up. Eisenhower. We're going to be taking the Edmands Path down. Ain't kidding. Edmands Path just goes down, down, down. It's old after a while. Getting much more runnable now. At least what passes for my run. And I made it to the lot. Alright, got a few miles of old road to get back to where I parked. Right by the Highland Center. Thanks as always. I do appreciate you watching this video. We'll see you on the next one.